Okay, just slow down and then speed up. I think we'll adhere to your suggestions to what is the best way we can absorb this. Because we have many lectures coming, so you can give me your feedback early enough. I think it's much better because after time passed, then well, I should have talked to you and then maybe improve something. So yeah, just with the coffee hours and tea time, and tell me what the best thing that I can change. Okay. All right. So the first lecture I gave us some introduction, and then what is complex oxide, and then what is so exciting, and then what is the thin films can offer you, and then we have a tremendous playground you can actually work on, and then a lot of knobs we can control, and for the discovery of new materials and new phenomena and new device. That's the first part I talked about. And then on the second part, as I said, I show some diagram. Remember my diagram, and then the theory, and then design of materials. And then one diagram, remember the structure. One diagram is, remember, synthesis. One diagram there is properties, and other one is the devices. So I talked about and those diagrams. And I'm going to talk about here is actually structure. And then structure is very important because you actually control a lot of properties coming from the actual structure. And the structure is a different range of structures we do. Is coming from macro structure, microstructure, and crystal structure, atomic structure, or electronic structure, spin structure. We have a lot of different structures, and those actually control the properties of these complex oxide materials. And because the actual structure, when you look at the crystal structure I show you, is very complex, which means complex means good or bad. Which means complex is you have to really understand and characterize those well to really connect those structures to your properties and then your theory and then all this connection between those two. If it's simple structure, the connection is very easy, and also you actually working with the theories in computation. Simple structures, computation is easy. But these atoms, so many atoms in unit cell, and your computer and calculation is a lot more challenging.